Hey, how you guys doing? Paul over here at Styrene Relics. Want to say Happy New Year's to everybody. Be safe out there tonight. I'm staying home. We're just gonna hang out here tonight. Kind of quiet. So, I did go out today, and that brings me to this video. I bought something today that's out of my realm. Big time out of my realm. So I'm unfamiliar with this. Apparently, Monogram did this a while back. This kit is from 1986. They're called Young Astronauts. I don't know. I'd never seen it, heard anything about them. I guess that must have been the time I kind of opted out. I think it is now I'm thinking of it. 86, yeah. I kind of got out of building. Got away from it. So these were just coming out, I'm guessing, at about that time. It's kind of cool. This here's kind of some kind of a lunar, I don't know, lunar roving machine that went on the moon. It's 1/44 scale, but it does have the space shuttle, NASA space shuttle on it, and it also has two kits in it. And you could build it as either any of them that they had. So let me open this up and I'll show you what I got. It's kind of different by far. The box was unwrapped, but everything in the bags were still in it. Not a problem. Here's an entry form for a trip to Florida, that you can go down and watch a space shuttle. Man, they were really pushing this to get kids involved in building, kits and staying involved in that. This one here was from the Young Astronaut Council from Washington, D.C. You could join that group. I don't know if it cost anything. I didn't look at it. I don't believe it did. Two different patches, cloth patches you could buy at $3.30 or $3.75 a piece. It tells you how many you can order, however many you wanted. This here has a bunch of the astronaut stuff that you could order and build the new and upcoming kits. Instruction sheet is quite involved. It even has metal screws and bolts, which is kind of weird, but after I get to looking at it, and I'll tell you here in a minute what those are all about. There was one other thing I wanted to show you. Yeah, it came with a poster. And man, you couldn't help if you were a kid getting involved in this. Now that's kind of neat. That's the space shuttle taking off. Apparently, it talks about getting young people involved in building models. It talks about joining the club and helping them out along the way, being mentors. This is really super cool. It says 85 to 86. Man, I wish they would come up with this again. We got to get kids involved again. It talks about programs. You can set up different chapters, your schools, community groups, interested businesses, elementaries, junior highs, and high schools. All kinds of cool stuff here it talks about. So I don't know what happened to this program. I'm probably going to guess the monies wasn't there. That's kind of the thing, but it's too bad. But, I would love to see this come back again, because you always got to keep trying. Always got to get kids involved. Cool decal sheet, man. That's just spot on. It's got all of them. You can do the Columbia, Discovery, the Challenger, and the Atlantis. I'm sorry. So, yep. I know which one I'll be building if I do it. This bag here is for that sci-fi thing that roves around on the moon. It's 1/44 scale. And then it comes with screws and bolts and springs that you can use to take the space shuttle and attach it to this and make the space shuttle drive around on the moon. I'm not going to do that. I will build a space shuttle. That I know. This bag here is nothing but the space shuttle. It's kind of neat. It's got fuselage on the back side. Looks like it's got the rocket jets and all that. Landing gear. All kinds of cool stuff. I am far from being in my normal realm here. I don't know anything about it. So there's the space shuttle there. I'm going to build this one for sure because it's just kind of neat. It's different. I don't know anything about this stuff. So I'm going to have to check on some different channels to find out how these guys clean them up and paint them up and that. But all in the bags. I pick it up. I walk up to the counter. It says $10 on the back. Prior to me going up there, I thought, well, I hate using eBay as a source of reference, but I looked on eBay and there was two guys on there that had one for $50 and the other one for $80. I thought, for $10, I'll build the shuttle. I set it up on the counter and the guy says $8.46 or something like that because it was New Year's Eve. So, yep, that's my $8.40 gift I got today. So you just kind of got to watch out for that kind of stuff. It's kind of cool. It's definitely cool because they got the kids involved. I didn't know anything about it. I'm going to do a little more research on it because there's a bunch of kits out there that went along with that, and I'm just unfamiliar with it. So anyways, you guys be safe tonight. Have a good time, and we will catch you next year. All right. Bye-bye.